Now we're going to dive into creating a project. Go ahead and push the addition symbol or the plus symbol inside the square, and it's going to pull up two options. You can either create a trailer or you can create a movie. We're going to begin by creating a trailer. Go ahead and push the trailer icon. Once you push the icon, you'll be directed to a screen with a bunch of different themes at the bottom. These are the different trailer types. You can scroll through on the bottom to see the different types of trailers that you can create. If you're not sure what trailer you want to use, you can preview the trailer by clicking on the trailer and then hitting the play button just above it. Sometimes a trailer requires a certain number of people to be in it. You can find that number in the bottom left-hand corner of the trailer. You can find out approximately how long each trailer lasts on the bottom right-hand corner. Each trailer is a different theme, which will include different music and different titles. Here's an example of the music and titles that you might see in a narrative. You can play around with each of these until you find the desired trailer. We are going to focus on the narrative trailer for this tutorial. Once the narrative trailer has been selected, go ahead and push Create up in the top right-hand corner, and then we can get started.